Guys, I'm gonna buy, well, I already bought
The Louis Vuitton.
Louis Vuitton lechon belly with rice, and she got the one with the egg. Guys, oh my god, my life. I got a flat tire. Good morning, guys, welcome back. Anyway, for today's vlog, I'm really excited because in about a couple of hours now I'm going to meet up with Clarice. So anyway, I literally just got done doing my makeup. I think this is Friday. Today is Friday, April 12, I think. Yeah, April 12 if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, I'm really excited. I haven't had my lipstick yet because I will show you. I was about to do like another whole video doing this, but I only got 2 shades, so it's just like this is gonna be like a boring video if I only have 2 shades of the. Okay, by the way, this is the sunnies face right there. This is the sunnies face, and I will be giving this to Clarice, this one right here, because this is brown and I normally just use like a black eye pencil, like the Anastasia. My shade is ebony, and when I got this in the mail, I'm just like, oh, I don't think I'm gonna use it because I don't like brown color, or like this type. Yeah, it's this warm brown, but like if this is the shade like this look like in the box, then I'm not gonna even bother putting it on my eyebrow. But I think she's gonna, I don't know if she's gonna love this because she's blonde right now. I think, yeah, but I'm gonna try to give this to her. If not, I don't know if she's gonna like it. But anyway, moving on. But okay, sunnies face, I have the shade Vacay and Bake right here, and I really love this too. It reminds me of my Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. So okay, this is right there, sunnies face, and I'm excited to use the Vacay shade. Girl, look at the packaging. I told you guys yesterday that I'm gonna paint my nails, so I just ending up cutting it and not painting it because I don't have time. But okay, this is the packaging. It's clear, you guys can see, and it has like sugar, kind of like a sugar coating it. And let's see what's the claim. Okay, it's a weightless modern matte lipstick. This is the fluffmatte from Sunnies. It says here, your lips but better. Okay, so this is the shade Vacay. I will show you the shade Bake. Same thing, and it has like the shade name in the bottom. Ooh, right there. So this is Bake, and this is Vacay. Vacay Bake. So right there. Okay, so I have my Too Faced little mirror right here, and this is the shade Bake. Guys, the formula, the way it just easily glides on my lips, I am here for it. This reminds me of Amazonian, or like the Fighter from Maybelline. This one right here. Okay, I will give you guys a swatch. This is Bake, like I said. I am so bad at swatching. Okay, that's Bake right there. Bake and Vacay. Oh my goodness, look at that, bitch. Okay, feel na feel ko lang yung self ko, but this is really. Hey guys, so I'm on my way now. I'm just wearing a Adidas t-shirt and jogger pants because I'm way too lazy to pick clothes. Anyway, it's almost, well, it's 11 o'clock now. 11 o'clock and it's kind of like an hour drive on the way to Clarice's house, so I want to leave early. Plus I might stop by to get some coffee. I do have coffee downstairs, but I don't have the milk anymore, so I use almond milk or half and half, but I ran out of 2. Anyways, I'm going to Clarice's house. I'm really excited to eat lechon, you know. Anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna just let her know that I'm on my way. Then yeah, still gonna see her soon.
A few inches later.
Hi guys.
Hey guys.
Maulan.
So pupunta kami ng ano yung babe? Kuya Ja?
Kuya
Ja lechon.
Kuya
Ja.
Belly restaurant.
Doon kami magba-brunch. It's kind of far away.
Kahit
Like an hour.
kami, magdadagdag pa kami ng belly.
Marami kami belly dito. May dagdag pa kami. Masyadong maulan. Expected ano. Pero hindi na siya. Light lang yung ulan. It's very light. It's not that bad. But it's just traffic. May ibang boyfriend si Clarice. Hala! Wala na! Wala na!
Alright. Come by
Hi!
the salon sometime.
May ibang boyfriend. Ay, look at this. Thank you. Okay, lechon belly with rice, and she got the one with the egg.
Yeah, I thought it's a guys. Lechon.
Kula. Para mag-concentrate ka.
Prices corner mo. Mukbang. Kuya, thank you. Guys, nakalibre tayo ng ano.
Ang sarap. We're here at the parking lot. She's just taking a picture. With the car. So we're not going to... Wait. Elevator here. Okay, level 1, I'll see. Yeah, I'll see you. I'll see.
I'll be on the back.
Going to Uniqlo. Here. They have active shorts. This is ultra stretch. Yes, we're here at Uniqlo. They have all winter. They have winter clothes. It's spring already. We're over winter. Guys, we're here at H&M. This Uniqlo sucks. Oh, look at that. Guys, look at this. Babe!
Missing someone with all your own. Missing someone with heart. How much you missing, and you deserve.
Guys, I'm here at the fitting room. I have some couple of stuff that I am going to try. I get the bikini. Here. Guys, we're here at Zara. Look at this. Looks cute. Nice. This reminds me of your shirt.
Oh yeah.
That reminds me of your shirt.
And it reminds me of that sandal.
Nandito ako. Saan ka na? Guys, look, ang ganda. Be, look, parang maganda to siya sa'yo.
Yeah.
Dalagang Pilipina, yeah.
Oh, mahal. 70.
Guys, punta kami ng Kung Futi. Yan. Ito na. Guys, so, bibili kami ng coffee milk tea.
Mabili sila din, oh. To decide.
Magkano ba yung...
Say 495 yan eh.
495? Bumili ka na lang mo. Wait, 400... Wait. How much? 495. Ay, akala ko 4,000.
Yung bag, tag ano, tag 1. Parang nakakano, nandito tayo sa Louis Vuitton, tas coach pag nakaano nang parang wala lang. Hey, who are you guys?
6 figures. I agree.
It's just like a loyalty card, and then you just get points every time you purchase it. And then every 5,000 you get points.
I think I did it. Everything.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, we can move right over there for checkout, okay? That's fine.
Guys, I'm gonna buy... Well, I already bought
The Louis Vuitton.
Louis Vuitton for my birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday.
Thank you, self.
Don't you have the birthday discount? Good job. I'm kidding.
Tyson's Galleria has it.
Oh, Tyson's?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the other one.
The other one. Okay, I'm just like, okay, this is Tyson's as well. There she goes. My purpose here is to go to Zara.
Yeah.
But I ended up buying Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. Okay, we're on our way home. May na-stress na driver. Nasa-stress.
Stressful thing. Rush
Yeah.
hour.
Yes, it's actually almost 5 o'clock, so we're going home. 1 century later. Still in traffic. We made it. We're going to Jumbo. My idol kami, guys. Stop at Jumbo. Jumbo. We got some squid and scallops. I'm already in my car on my way to Crystal's house because I'm gonna give her her birthday present. So I forgot to say goodbye. Wait, to turn on the camera and say goodbye to Clarice, but she gave me chop suey. Thank you so much, be. Yeah. Wait a minute. Yeah. Ooh, girl. Anyway, she gave me chop suey and I gave her the eyebrow pencil from Sunnies because that's gonna match her because she's blonde. So anyway, we had so much fun and I ended up spending money because my birthday is next month and I think I deserve it. So anyway, I'm gonna do another haul just for the Louis Vuitton that I purchased earlier. So yeah, I'm really excited to see Crystal. That's my best friend because it was her. We've been planning to see each other and the world just, I don't know, we keep canceling it. But anyway, I'm on my way to her house now and I can't wait to see her because I got her a gift and it's been a long time as well for this kung fu tea and ooh, good, delicious. I took my lashes out, you guys, because I don't know, I can't handle it anymore, so I took it out. I just take them so I can drive peacefully with my glasses on. It's 7:13, it's very late now, but it's still a little bit of light. So anyways, I will check on you guys later on.
Give a good sign.
It's dark outside. Guys, oh my god, my life. I got a flat tire. Okay, great. Another couple $100.
She got stuck with me though. So
Yeah,
it's
I'm
okay.
stuck with them. They're really happy that I got a flat tire. Like, look how, oh my god. This is the moment of sadness.
My best friend is stuck with me.
The moment of sadness, they turn it out to be a positive one. Look at this miniature. Thank God I have an extra tire though that she called Donut.
Yep.
And okay. She asked me Donut, said what? A food? It was this one. Oh my god, look at the good lighting. Thank you, ma'am.
I know, right?
Okay, we're just waiting for the USA. It's like
hour.
60 minutes, a whole hour. You get to spend time with me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at how happy. You know how sad she is when we left?
Yeah.
Like, she was so sad.
sad.
She's like the best actress. Like, she was like the, do it again, when you're with your sad face. Do it. Yeah, that's how she is. And now look how happy she is now. Oh my goodness. Look at this.
Oh,
girl.
okay.
A flat tire. So, I'm finally home. That was a whole mess. Tomorrow I gotta get my 2 tires changed. And yeah, thank God I have a backup tire in my trunk, because if not, then I'm fucked. So anyway guys, I'm just gonna end the vlog here because everybody's sleeping and I'm whispering, I know. God is good. Thank God I'm safe. Yeah, thank you for Crystal, my friend. Thank you for helping me. But yeah, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon.